If you're experiencing crashing issues with Roblox, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. Visit the Roblox website to find the latest requirements and compare them with your device specifications. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues. Go to your device's manufacturer website or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest graphics drivers. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Corrupted cache files can lead to crashes. To clear the cache, navigate to the Roblox installation folder, find the cache folder, and delete its contents. Restart Roblox afterward. Step 4. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with Roblox. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially resource-intensive applications, to free up system resources. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the issue persists, uninstall Roblox completely and then reinstall it. This can resolve any corrupted files or installation issues that may be causing the crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.